What they say, most of the times I may be in New York, or I've been to many states in the US, including Miami, a couple of times. The video they are circulating is a video from one of my past trips to Miami with my wife. I believe in the immediate aftermath of my marriage. What about that, Major? Now, how that can be an issue for a group of people, no, shows you how frustrated they are and how fixated they are with Sammy Gyamfi. Come here, me tell you, me nye dwuma ma aban into America. Me hwe obi a taxes so. Na my worry na me ne me yere to kwan for a break. What's about that, Metro? I say, how is that your issue? How is that your issue? Are you the one who pay me? Me we see customer one. And you're talking about
42,000.
Na me ma fa party ska ko mo na be kasa ma party na. NDC we see kebia. People don't know. When you see any national officer of the party, respect him. I'm telling you, when we say we are national officers, there is no national officer of the party. I am nobody. We all raise money. At least I can speak for myself. Since I served in this role from 2018 till now, 99% of the things we do, we raise money from people. We struggle on a daily basis to raise money to do that. One day I offer $40,000 a month. But you know what? There are certain things that you are allowed to pass because of, you know, and the fact that we can't have time for certain things. And some of the people who are saying these things, really, they don't even know you. MPPs push so jabia. I'm born into no cry man.